Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to learn how to utilize the project estimation feature in Zoho Project, your 2025 full guide. Let's get started. First up, we're going to open Zoho Project. This is where we manage all our project details. The reason we do this is to have all the project data in one place, which allows for better planning and monitoring. Now that we've done that, let's proceed to the project for which we want to make an estimation. Click on the Tasks and Milestones tab. This helps us because it provides a detailed breakdown of our project, allowing us to estimate each task separately for a more accurate overall project estimate. Next, click on the Estimate option for each task or milestone. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Zoho Project is using the data you inputted to calculate the time, resources, and costs required to complete each task or milestone. Now let's input our estimations. These can include hours, days, or weeks needed to complete each task. The reason we do this is to provide Zoho Project with the necessary data to calculate our overall project estimate. Once we've done that, Zoho Project will automatically calculate and display the total project estimate. It's essential to review this estimate as it will give you an idea of the overall resource allocation and duration for the project. And that's it. You've just learned how to utilize the project estimation feature in Zoho Project. Using this feature will help you plan your projects more efficiently, saving you time and resources. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in our next tutorial.